Section 1, Introduction, your gateway to trading in the UAE. This guide provides clear instructions for opening an Exness account. It is specifically designed for users in the United Arab Emirates in 2026. The goal is to help you navigate the setup process efficiently and securely. We will break down each action into simple, manageable parts. You will learn how to register. You will learn how to verify your identity. You will learn how to prepare for your first trade. Following these steps carefully will ensure your account is established correctly from the very beginning. The entire initial registration can be completed in approximately 6 minutes, allowing you to access the platform quickly. Our focus is on practical, actionable advice. We will avoid complex jargon and technical language. Instead, we present information in a straightforward, professional manner. Section 2. The initial steps. Registration and partner code. The first action you must take is selecting your country of residence. When you arrive at the Exness registration page, you will be prompted to choose your country. It is essential that you select the United Arab Emirates from the list. This choice configures the platform according to local regulations and available services. Selecting the correct country ensures you are presented with the appropriate payment options, account types, and support channels relevant to the UAE. This simple but critical step prevents future complications with deposits, withdrawals, and account verification. Next, you will proceed with the core registration details. You need to provide a valid email address that you access regularly. All important communications from Exness, including verification links and account updates, will be sent to this address. After entering your email, you must create a strong password. A secure password should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Avoid using simple or easily guessable words. This password is your primary line of defense for account security, so keep it confidential. During this registration phase, you will find a field labeled Partner Code. In this box, enter the code displayed on the screen. It is important to type this code exactly as shown without any extra spaces or errors. This code may entitle you to specific benefits. This code may entitle you to bonuses as part of a promotional partnership. Missing this step during registration often means you cannot add the code later. Double-checking that you have entered it correctly before proceeding can unlock additional value for your new account. Section 3. Navigating the platform and making your first deposit. After signing up, explore the Exness web trading platform in your browser. This is the browser-based terminal where you analyze charts and place trades. You do not need to download any software to get started. Familiarize yourself with the main components of the interface. Locate the watch list. Add and monitor currency pairs or assets. Find the main chart window that displays price movements. Identify the order panel, where you execute buy and sell orders. A brief exploration in demo mode can build your confidence. Next step, verify your phone number for added security. Navigate to account settings or the verification section in your personal area. You'll be asked to enter your mobile number. Be sure to include the UAE country code, +971. Once submitted, Exness will send a verification code via SMS. Enter that code on the website to confirm access to the phone. This step is a prerequisite for completing full KYC. With email, phone, and profile info verified, you can make your first deposit. We recommend starting with a small initial deposit, 150 AED. A small deposit lets you test a live trading account with minimal risk and see transaction times. It can also help prioritize your profile for a quicker review during final verification. To make your deposit, go to the deposit section in your personal area. Exness offers payment methods suitable for UAE residents, local bank transfers, credit cards, debit cards. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Enter the deposit amount. We suggest 150 Emirati dirham, and provide payment details. The next major stage is completing the Know Your Customer process. This is a mandatory identity verification procedure required by financial regulators worldwide. Its purpose is to prevent fraud and ensure a secure trading environment. For this, you will need to prepare two specific types of documents. The first is a valid, government-issued photo identification. For residents of the UAE, this can be your Emirates ID card, passport. The name on the document must be an exact match to the name you used during registration. The second required document is a proof of address. This must confirm the residential address in your Exness profile. Acceptable documents typically include a DW bill, CW bill, a bank account statement, official government letter. Key requirements: full name visible, full residential address visible, recent issue date visible. The date should generally be within the last 3 months to be considered valid. Once you have digital copies of both documents, you're ready to upload. Log into your Exness account and go to Verification or Profile. The platform will guide you step by step. Upload photo ID first, then upload proof of address. Take clear, high-resolution photos or scans. Ensure all 4 corners are visible and no text is obscured by shadows, glare, or fingers. The platform may also ask for a liveness check or a selfie. Use your device camera to take a current photo of your face. You might be asked to hold your photo ID next to your face. This confirms the person submitting matches the ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to position face and ID within the frame. Completing this accurately is crucial to pass verification without delay. To ensure your verification is processed as quickly as possible, pay close attention to the quality of your document images. Blurry photos are a common reason for rejection. Scans with poor lighting are another common reason for rejection. Use a smartphone that produces clear, high-resolution images. Use a scanner that produces clear, high-resolution images. Place your documents on a flat, dark surface. Ensure ample, even lighting to avoid glare and shadows. Before uploading, zoom in to confirm every letter and number is perfectly legible. Ensure complete consistency in your personal information. The full name on your photo ID must exactly match the name you entered during registration. The full name on your proof of address must exactly match the name you entered during registration. Even small discrepancies can trigger rejection. Missing a middle name is a common example. Using an initial instead of the full name is another common example. Review the name in your Exness profile before starting KYC. If you find a mistake, contact support to correct it before uploading files. Language and document format matter. Exness typically accepts documents in English. Exness typically accepts documents in Arabic. If your proof of address is in another language, you may need a certified translation. Check with Exness support to confirm their translation policy. Pay attention to required file formats and sizes: JPG, PNG, PDF. Watch the maximum file size limit to avoid upload errors. Adhering to these technical requirements will prevent upload errors. After uploading everything, the review process begins. Verification is often completed within 24 hours, but your promptness can influence the timeline. Enable notifications for your email. Enable notifications for your phone. If the verification team requests additional information or a clearer copy, respond quickly. A swift response shows engagement and can help expedite final approval. Keep any support ticket numbers for easy reference. In summary, setting up and verifying your Exness account in the United Arab Emirates is a structured and straightforward process. By following the steps in this guide, you can set up efficiently. You began by selecting the United Arab Emirates as your country, ensuring access to the correct services. You registered with a valid email. You created a strong password. You applied the partner code to access potential benefits. These initial actions lay the foundation for a secure account.